2004 Ford Excursion Cummins Turbo Diesel Limited walk around. Here's the front end of this beautiful rig. Has a iron bull front bumper with a winch in the front, dual stabilizers. See the track bar on there is aluminum. Hella spotlights, Pia spots, EAG grill, Icon reservoir shocks that are adjustable, ARB front airline locker. You see the wheels with the big giant Wilwood brakes, worn free spin hubs, Toyo tires, and you can see they're 37 1250 20s. We do have Rhino line on the wheel wells, and then also on the bottom portions of the doors, as well as the rear, and the rear fender liner has all been Rhino lined to match. Locking diesel fuel door, Pia backup lights, permanent tags, so there's no smog or registration due for Montana. The body is straight as an arrow. MBRP exhaust, Icon reservoirs in the back, airbags. It also has ladder bars. The body is super straight. It does have a roof rack up there that does mount a tent, believe it or not, that we do have, and there's also an awning for it as well. Front is all matching here, all the same. Again, your Wilwood brakes, and the Wilwoods are all the way around too. I'll show you inside, and then we'll work our way back around to the driver's side. Heated seats, your seat covers, pillar gauges. It does have the F650 dash mod, which allows you to run everything here. You've got all your toggles. There is a safe in the center console, and a gimbal to hold a iPad. Storage for the third row, and there's your third row seat. There is some fading on the back here of this hatch, just the paint, very, very minute. Full-size spare tire, adventure trailers, overland equipment, dual sliding storage cabinets. You got these here with a set of brakes, your extra hold downs, your full-size matching spare, "12" subs on the rear here, Alpine. And we'll show you inside. Does have the Revelco kill switch, optics gauges. You have a trans, EGT, boost, and a higher pressure oil pump. And then obviously you have the compressor and the rear airbags. Revelco kill switch. I'll pop under the hood and I'll show you that. So here is the Cummins swap by the truck shop. Banks high ram, Odyssey battery dual setup. There you go. There's our walk around.